You saw the title, you clicked. Is Tesla stock about to collapse? Well, let's take a look at these charts and do an honest and quick breakdown of the charts, go over my thoughts, and we'll break down some news that just came out earlier today. But before we dive into that, if you guys have not gotten your free money yet, up to 17 stocks, each up to $2,000 for Moomoo, the sponsor of today's video, use that link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 stocks and you get a free share on top of those 5 stocks of C3AI, which right now is about $35-40 per share, and that's actually exclusive to this channel. And if you fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks on top of those stocks, totaling 16 stocks. And it gets even better: fund your account with at least $5,000, guys, you get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google stock, guaranteed, on top of all those other stocks you got. So yeah, it's the best promo right now by far. If you guys want some free money and you want to help out the channel, use that Moomoo link down below. And now, cheers guys, let's dive right into the video. So check it out. It's currently around, what time is it? About 11:15 a.m. The day's actually flying. I mean, I feel like I just got to the computer about 10 minutes ago, but it's already almost 11:30. Either way, look, Tesla's up around 0.2% right now, pretty much at break even. And I was reading earlier this morning, as I do every morning. I'm sure you guys do as well. You read a bunch of articles, you catch up on the news, see what's going on, right? I was reading that Tesla has seen 13 days straight of green, if I remember correctly, 14, 13, something like that. And maybe if today goes green, it's the 14th. Either way, this stock has gone up many days in a row. And you guys know at this point, if I pull the 20-day chart up, it is up $100 per share in just a month. You heard that right. Just a month, it is up $100 a share. Back on the 16th, less than a month, 16th of May, it was at $164 a share. Now it just hit $264, which is insane this morning. That is a move of 60%. You heard that right. $100 is 60% here on Tesla, and that is just in the last month. And it's funny how things work, right? And I'm not saying this is the only reason why Tesla stock is moving, but it seems like ever since they got a new CEO for Twitter, Tesla stock has really been moving. And again, it's not the only reason why. There's probably some other factors, but it's really gone up since that. I mean, I remember that piece of news. It was like 2, 3, 4 weeks ago, and ever since then, it seems like Tesla, boom, has been going up. And of course, the markets in general have been doing well. I mean, if you guys saw or have seen Triple Q, this is at a fresh high right now on the 20-day 1-hour chart as well. And Triple Q is up around about 12% in the past month. So it is up a lot. And of course, tech is up in general. You know, AI is causing a lot of FOMO in a lot of these stocks. That is contributing to Tesla going up as well. And again, the CEO, Twitter, you know, all that good stuff. But at some point, I think we're going to get a pullback in Tesla stock. And of course, in the overall markets, although we're not seeing that right now quite yet. And probably at some point with the FOMC statement, the press conference, all that good stuff, we're probably going to get some sort of, maybe not a pullback, but some more rocky price action, at least in my opinion. So yeah, guys, keep your eyes on the FOMC. We're going to make another video on that probably later today as the whole meeting unfolds and all that good stuff plays out. But yeah, Tesla stock, back to the subject of the video, is way too hot in a very short amount of time, at least in my opinion. And you guys can see here on the 4-hour chart exactly what I mean, right? 13, 14, 12, whatever the heck it is, straight days of green. You can see how extended we're getting on the 4-hour chart. And the million-dollar question is, when is this green streak going to end? Is it today? If we have a red day today, it probably will be today. But, well, it will be today if we do have a red day, obviously. And the thing is, where is this going to pull back? Where could we come down to? I think a healthy spot for Tesla would be anywhere in the lower to mid 200s. Right now, we're kind of, I guess, technically in the mid 200s right now, but more towards the upper 200s. We're at 260 right now. 265 is where we were earlier in the day. So if this were to come down, let's say, a simple pullback, man, down to around that 50 SMA, on the 4-hour chart here, near the highs from February, early mid-February, that's all I'm asking for. It's nothing crazy. I'm not asking for this thing to come down to 100 or something crazy. Just a little bit, guys. I mean, just about 10, 12, 15%, which for Tesla is nothing. You guys know in the grand scheme of things, if this pulls back 10%, it's not that serious. I mean, it's up 60% in the past month. And we got news this morning, guys. Let me actually transition over here to the Safari tab. Bear with me, guys. Look at this. Tesla slightly increases their Model Y price by, are you ready for this? Let me make my face a little bit smaller. Let me build the anticipation up as well. Are you guys ready to see how much they raised their Tesla Model Y price by? Well, it is by $250 a car. You heard that right. Tesla has slightly increased the price of its cheapest Model Y by $250, which, I mean, for a $45,000 car, that's nothing. And the delivery timeline has also been pushed, showing that Tesla is seeing strong demand for the vehicle. That's good news. Very good news. And that's arguably already priced in to the stock. But yeah, great news there that we're seeing, potentially strong demand here for the Model Y. And of course, that makes sense with, the cuts in the prices. I mean, now that they just raised it $250, it doesn't really matter considering how much they cut the price of the Model Y. So a little increase of $250 doesn't really make a difference. You guys can see after consistently decreasing the price of its electric vehicles throughout the first half of the year, Tesla seems to have slowed down its price changes over the last month, which makes sense. They're not going to just lower prices forever, right? Into infinity and beyond. That's not going to happen. And you guys can see there were even slight price increases, yada, yada, yada. Last night, Tesla updated its online configurator to increase the price of the Model Y all-wheel drive built in Texas from $47,490, so almost $47,500, to now $47,740, which, I mean, $250, guys, like I said, for a car that's almost 50 grand, that is not that big of a deal. There's no shot this is gonna, hurt demand. Obviously, no one's gonna decide not to buy a Tesla Model Y because of $250 freaking dollars, guys. Now, if they raise the price by $5,000, okay, maybe that's going to deter some people. But by $10,000, for sure, that's going to deter some people. But $250, it's not. Like we said earlier, they're probably doing this because of the demand kicking up in Model Y for Model Ys. And really, has demand ever even dropped for the Model Y? No, it hasn't. If anything, again, it's gone up a ton because of the price cuts, and now they're probably like, maybe we could squeeze out a little bit more out of each sale, so they're raising it a little bit by $250. I'd say good for Tesla. Pretty smart move on their part, at least in my opinion. What do you guys think? Is that going to deter you now from buying a Model Y? Of course it's not. Of course it's not. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Hit that like button. Feel free to subscribe as well. And guys, do not forget to get your free money from Moomoo. By far the best promo right now. Up to 17 stocks, each up to $2,000. Listen to this, guys. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get a free share of C3AI stock right off the bat, which is exclusive to this channel. And that's what, $40 a share, $35, $40 a share. That's guaranteed. And you get another 5 stocks, each up to $2,000. And that's only with a $100 deposit. That's guaranteed, guys. And if you fund your account with at least $1,000, you get all the stocks we just talked about, and you get 10 more stocks, each up to $2,000, totaling 16 free stocks. And fund your account with at least $5,000, guys. This is where it gets crazy. And honestly, when I saw this promo, I was like, holy crap, you get a free share of either Google stock or Tesla stock with a $5,000 deposit, guaranteed, guys, on top of all the stocks you just got. So if you want some free money, crazy promo right now, and of course you want to help out the channel because it is an affiliate link, use that Moomoo link down below or go to StockSurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, guys, cheers. I'll catch you in the next video.